Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. If you guys are new, my name is Hermela, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing a in-shower routine, how I detangle, and then a quick style with me to show you guys how I achieved getting these results. My curls are super defined, moisturized, and looking good. I was getting a little discouraged because we're entering the colder months, and my hair tends to get a little dry, and the ends start to feel dry and I don't get the best results. So if you guys are interested to see how I achieve this, I'll be walking through all the products I use as well as the brush that I use and some of the methods that I use in order to achieve these results. Go ahead and stay tuned and you guys will not regret it. If you guys have any questions, list them down below in the comment section and I will go through and answer some of them for you. Let me know if you guys like this video and stay tuned.
Alright guys, let's get started. So I have in my hair just a deep conditioner and I had braided it for about 3 days and I'm finally going ahead and washing it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I wash my hair in the shower and detangle it before I go ahead and start styling. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and get my hair soaking wet. So for shampoo, I'm using My Moisture's Lightweight Hydration and Hibiscus Water Shampoo. I love using this product because it really helps to cleanse my scalp. It also doesn't strip my hair of all of its natural oils. It is sulfate free and it's been one of my faves and I've been using it frequently. As you guys can tell, I'm really using my fingertips to go ahead and scrub my scalp and remove any excess buildup of products. I'm also bringing the product down to my ends to go ahead and rinse it out gently. I don't really focus on my ends because once I go under the water, it does transfer from my scalp all the way down to my roots. Depending on my week, I usually try to stick to washing my hair once a week. That includes shampoo and a conditioner. As we get into the winter months, I do try to stray away from washing my hair too frequently because too much water tends to dry my hair out, and especially because it's already cold outside, I want to keep as much moisture into my hair. Also, another great thing about this product is it has so much lather, and as you guys can tell, I'm rinsing it all out to get ready to add some conditioner to my hair. For conditioner, I'm using Dove's Daily Moisture Conditioner. I use quite a lot of it to help me with avoiding breakage as well as preventing any damage to my hair when detangling it. Next, I'll be using the Tangle Teaser Ultimate Detangler Hairbrush. This brush was designed to be used in showers or on wet hair to really prevent any breakage and to help with any of your knots. As you guys can see, the teeth are super flexible on this brush, which really helps to avoid any damage when your hair is most fragile while wet. When I detangle in the shower, I like to section off my hair and really take my time. Whenever I rush, I do find that I damage my hair more and I pull out more hair. Another thing I like about this brush is that it has an easy grip handle and it makes it super comfortable while I'm detangling. I just really like this brush because my hair glides through it super easily. It really helps to cut down my time with detangling in the shower and preventing any type of hair loss or damage. Alright guys, now that I have detangled my hair, you can see how easy it is to glide my fingers through it without any knots. I'm going to go ahead and start rinsing out my hair, and that will be it for my shower routine. One thing to note, I didn't rinse out all of the conditioner. I did leave a little bit in it. I'm now using a microfiber towel, and I'm going to go ahead and start styling my hair how I normally do. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump into styling my hair. My hair is completely cleansed and moisturized and ready to be applied with products. The first one I'm using is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioners. As you guys know, this is one of my holy grails. It adds so much moisture and it is one of my go-tos during the winter time. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this first. Secondly, I'm using the My Moisture Coconut Curl Smoothie. This is one of my favorites as well because it has such a thick formula and really helps to define my curls and adds moisture in these colder months. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on all of the sections of my hair. I did add a little bit of water to bring some more moisture so the products get applied evenly and easily. I'm using the same brush because it does help to distribute the products. Alright guys, my hair is almost done being styled. I'm going to go ahead and follow up with diffusing it. I'm going to diffuse it for a little bit and then air dry it. I will return back once my hair is completely dry and show you guys the final results.
Okay guys, so I finished diffusing my hair. I was diffusing it on the warm setting and the kind of medium air blow thing. I diffused it for about 45 minutes and then after that I just let it air dry. This is day one hair, so my hair is super flat. Before I end this video, I wanted to give you guys my review on the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler. I absolutely love this hairbrush. It has helped me to quicken my detangling process and help avoid any breakage. It is super easy to use, has the perfect grip so it doesn't slip out of my hand when I am brushing my hair. I love it. The teeth are super flexible and it does not hurt my head when I do comb through my hair. I love this brush. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions, but these are the final results of my wash day. Okay guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed my realistic and shower routine as well as the tangling process. You guys just want to make sure you find products that work best for you, and I highly recommend looking into the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler hairbrush. It works really well with my hair and just quickens the entire process. Like I said before, you go ahead and let me know down below what videos you would like to see from me. I would love that, and I can go ahead and start creating more content for you guys. So thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and like this video and see you guys next time.